Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut Body Effect to cover only your face in a photo, your eyes. And here is how you can do that. So first, just add your video into CapCut. Then after that, just go to Effect, click on the Body Effect, and here swipe on the categories and select the mask option. Here, to cover the eyes, you can there are lots of options that you can use: the Dreamland, hard strip, rolling tide, partial distortion, partial blur, or also the sensor bar. So I'm going to just use the sensor bar. Click on click on the effect, and here you can adjust the speed, color, and also vertical. I'm going to just use the adjustment, the default adjustment, and here adjust the length. This will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.